Hi, this is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. How are you doing today? Today is what's in my bag video. So today we're going to, ta-da! We're going to check out what's in my bag. This Etui Voyage GM. So we're going to check it out. This one in Paris, the first time I was there, when I met Seb, and then this is what I got as a commemorative piece from my first trip to Paris. Today what we're going to do is we're going to discover what can fit in this bag or what's in my bag. So in this bag, so this one, I will use this one for my, let's see what's inside. Ta-da! So this one, it does have one big compartment on one and then a pocket compartment. So we'll check this out. So in this bag, I do have my key holder, I should say. So this is my key holder, which has my keys, my key clay, which has my cards, and then my charger for the laptop, and then my charger for the, this is the cord for my phone, the charger for my laptop. I work at a what's that one called? I work in a healthcare, so I have masks, I have papers from work, and then of course receipts, and then I have my Mac, and then I have my masks. Mask, right? So nowadays that's kind of like the norm to have all those masks. So these are the things that's in my bag right now and what fits in this. It's a tad bulky. It's a tad bulky when you do that, but it's so soft, it's so nice, it's so smooth. I love this one as my laptop case, and then I use this one to carry things when I'm in a hurry, so which is good. So yeah, so there you go. This is a quick video of what's in my bag and what fits in the Etui Voyage GM. I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, like the video, comment below, and then let us know what you think of this bag. And then if this bag is for you, comment below. We want to hear that. And yeah, thank you very much. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye. So that you'll know what I'm dealing with this bag. So yeah, because it's really thin, but it can expand. So that's the good thing about it. Because this is a canvas, so when you put more things in there, it can fit. So yeah, so but I love it. So yeah, hopefully this video helps of what can fit on this Etui Voyage GM. This is a GM, the biggest one. Basically, it's the large one. So yeah. So, but I love this bag. It helps a lot. It fits a lot, even though it's you would think that this is so small. But yeah. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.